Hey guys! This is new. Never had done this before, but I like it. What you can be. Now I know how I'm gonna do this. This is so weird and so much awkwardness. Okay. What I want from this girl is just a freaking the Miss Goldie hair, but in black, next time in blonde. And okay, one sec. I can't believe I actually doing this. Oh my god, hold up. See what the fuck is going on? What? This is wicked. Okay. Wait, hold up. I got 4 guests as I remembered. And I'm gonna make this art book. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's just say I'm gonna get like 50 gifts. I don't know. I'm gonna make it short for people. To be honest, I just do it as a quick look. Ten seconds, you guys have. This is like just be me. Okay, join me. Okay. Alright. Let's make a look at this. The dress I don't want, but the sorry guys. But the hair, yes, I want. What the fuck? She have them in so many different colors. It's making me jealous. How did she get? Maybe I want the dress. Wait, let me move my podcast. My webcam here for a second. I actually can't wait to see how this looks. Oh my gosh. Oh, you guys are gonna be right here. Like, right here. Oh my god, I can see myself. Holy shit, this is like not happening. One of these, I guess. One of these, I guess. I don't know. I don't want to dress, to be honest. I gotta put you guys like. I gotta put this like somewhere I can. I don't know. Ah, no, 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 no. Yep, like that. Do you like that? Like I'm in hiding, you guys. Hiding. This is seriously. This is like amazing. Look at this. Yes. Yes, people. Yes. Hello. Nobody's gonna send a gift. I know that shit. But to be honest, I still want to quit YouTube because the only reason why I don't have no ideas for videos, and I'm sorry, you guys, for that shit. It's okay. But so beautiful. I'm trying. Are you doing a bad job so far? Beautiful. Okay, that's nice. That's nice. That's beautiful. Y'all have such pretty names. Like I see you guys' names on your statements sometimes. Y'all got some pretty on names. Let's see what this girl wants. She knows what I want, and I want that shit. I don't know. Come on. Why do people want this? I'm trying to collect the Sobet set. I had the shoes, but hey, wanted the shoes, so I had to give it to her. I don't know if I should give this chick the jerseys. I eat my ear. Alright guys, these are my friends. They're awesome. Need to talk a little. I don't know, I might her back, to be honest. Hey. Like hi, hey. And that's it. I mean, things happen, so I don't know. I'm just gonna be casual. Do me. Be me. The only way I would give this dress away, if I get this one, Miss Goldie, or I get the exact same dress, but in a different color. And like I can't, this hair actually look like comes from the 80s. Except for this, like, no offense, people. Nobody has sent me a gift, so you know what? I'm just gonna open the 4 gifts that I have. See what they sent me. I know what she sent me. Ha, knew it. Or she probably sent me yeah, the level up gifts. And I'm about that pants. What she sent me? Oh, she sent me the top that I wanted. Yeah, look at me, looking half naked girl. What the heck? Nope, so I put her pants on. Like a fucking friend. I got a lot of cute ass clothes. Jeez. There we go. Focus. I'ma go on Angelina. And that's it. Got so much shit in my Wishly. No one's gonna buy it for me, but I buy their Wishly. How's that being fair? Anywho, let's give out some shout outs. I haven't gotten that in a while. The first shout out is gonna be Harper. Describe to her channel. And don't mind the other people I described. Is Harper the only one I can find right now? Also, describe to Alex Wasabi. Love his videos. And Alex, MSP too. And Ali, MSP, describe to hers. And also describe to sorry, I couldn't say your user right. Subscribe to her. No, 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 no. Aaron Grande. Also, subscribe to Aaron Grande if you are an Aaron Grande fan. Let's see.